Man, there's a video coming up after this, right? But there are two things I want you to keep in mind when you're watching this video, right? One is birds of a feather always flock together. And two, show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. And this does not only go for men seeking women. It also goes for men and how people will perceive you. Right? Now take a look at this video.
I want to tell this story so fast. This is not my story, and I asked permission to tell this story. Okay, bam. A female friend of mine, right? She met this guy, bam. I don't judge. He's a chopper. She decided she wanted to date a chopper. She wanted to be the girlfriend of a chopper, right? Now down the line, she's trying to figure out, why is he mean? The girls say, oh, if you're a chop, I'm mean with the money when of yours. I mean, the man them still work for it. Them still have to work for it and have to put in the hours. But she say, too easy to get the money. She think the money would have free up easier. But them stingy with the money. So the girls, some of us gonna say, oh, you fear chop money, I mean with it, and the money is not yours either. At least share it. Share it with the girl them.
All right. So you notice she starts with a disclaimer. And that disclaimer is not her story. She just repeating it for somebody. And two, the person, she throwing it out there because she wants a feedback. Right? Now, understand that you can make looks and sound bright be a deciding factor when you don't go deal with one woman. Because clearly, based on that video there, he lacking in them two department there. Right? Now, this is one case where the woman deliberately planning to go for one man because he have money. And it no matter by what means he get it, he have it. And she wants a slice of it. Right? So much so that she willing to say, pretty much in tight, in mean, that kind of something. And because she think the man get the money easy, she entitled to a part of it too. It just go for show your mentality. And if she will have the ability to do the work, to do what the man when they do, she would do the same thing. But she find it easier now for this techie friendly man. Now you can just imagine all of what she do to impress that man. All where she put for her mouth. All what she gargle to take away man money. But I have to lift my cap to that man. Him not sound like one of them fool where him and him money don't part company anytime soon. Gentlemen, pay attention because it is never about you. It is always about what you have. And more so, what they can take from you. If you show a slightest sign of weakness, like your foo-foo, stay woke, gentlemen. Be on the lookout for them predator there. Right? You refer to them as leech, ticks, mosquito, all of them something. Then come for suck everything out of your pocket. Put it that way there. Stay awake, gentlemen. Stay vigilant.